Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm going to start a new series. In this series I'm going to teach you STM32 without using a library or HAL library and without using cubemx. So first of all, you should install KEIL Vision. I prefer version 5. You can use any version you want. Let's wait. Okay, here we should install our package. Since I'm using STM32 F4, so I should look for that STM32 F429. I'm using discovery board, so I should choose this board. And as you can see, mine is already updated. If yours weren't, you can click on the update and it will be installed quickly, and then close it. It's time to create a new project and select the path, a new folder, and I call it KEIL, and the project would be register, but I'm using register. Alright, and here go to STM, find out your device. Mine is STM32 VGT. If you cannot find your device, you should go back to package installer and install your package. Okay, here you should go to SEMSYS, select the core, and then device and startup. That's it. And press OK. Your project was created successfully. As you already know, all the project demands a source file where we can put our code or programming. Since I'm using C language, I choose C file. We name it main. Okay, this is our main file where we can program. In the main.c we need our main function. Alright, in the main function we need our loop. We call it while. And because I don't want my device to finish execution, I wanted to repeat the code again and again. And next step is to go to option for target, then to debug, and select the ST-Link debugger because we are using ST-Link to debug our device. Then go to setting. Here you can see your device name. If it was recognized successfully, you will see the device name here. If it wasn't here, you should download STM32 utility from st.com and then connect. As you can see, it is connected successfully. Alright, and remember that if you wanted to connect the board to the PC, you should go to target, settings, no detected, that make connected to the PC. Here's my board and the mode should be connect on the reset. Okay, that's it, that's work properly. And the last step of creating project is to build it to see if we have any problem or not. And as you can see, no errors, no warning, which means we are ready to go for the next step. And that's it, that's how you create a project in KEIL. And let's go to the next video.